Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to show wireframe in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use the Monkey Suzanne. We can go to Add, Merge, and add the Monkey Suzanne. And I use the panel to rotate to negative 35 degrees in X. Now we can close up to view it. If you want to show wireframe, we can press Z to show the shading panel, and then we can move the cursor to wireframe or press 4 to show wireframe only. So we can see the wireframe. Now I press Z again and go back to solid shading. If you want to show wireframe on solid shading, we can go to overlays and click the small arrow and check the box wireframe. Then we can see the wireframe on shading mode. So this is how we can show wireframe on objects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.